I'm Father Robert Ballas, host of This Week in Enterprise Tech on the Twit TV network. I'm here at Enterprise Connect 2015 in Orlando, Florida, and I've got the privilege of sitting next to Mr. Rick Hamilton from Valcom. Rick, thank you very much for talking to us.
Father Robert, great meeting you.
Now, your company is known for mass notification. That's your technology. That's what you do. So what brings you to Enterprise Connect?
Enterprise Connect, we've been participating in for many years. And actually for us it's a must-do because we have a very diverse group of enterprise customers that attend this, as well as many of our technology partners are presenting at it. So it's a very good mix for us, and it's a must-do every year.
Mass notification is an interesting field in that there are a lot of other businesses out there that think that it just means notifying one person, but a lot of times. And of course, you know, that's not the case. It's a very specific type of technology, very specific type of process. What would you say are the biggest challenges or the biggest mistakes that companies have when they get into mass notification?
I think that probably the biggest mistake is not looking at all the potential alternatives and offerings that there is when it comes to mass notification. Mass notification can be SMS, it can be paging, it can be signage, it can be text, it can be emails, it can be all sorts of things. And each particular enterprise has its own requirements, and a lot of that revolves around where those people are located. Are they in a central office? Are they working off-site? Do they have transit community, kind of like during football games at a college campus? That sort of thing. So it's really taking all of those things into consideration and making sure that you have a solution that takes care of all of those different issues.
Now let's address those individually with your technology. Now, what do you do? What does Valcom do specifically to address those issues?
Yeah, Valcom has a number of different products. I mean, our bread and butter, if you will, was the paging world. That's really where we started. However, that's branched off into visual notification, into IP-based notification. We actually have the ability with our eLaunch product of a single button click on an iPad, on a smartphone, literally, of being able to launch messaging instantaneously out through multiple modes, through speakers, through audio, or obviously audio through speakers, but also visual signage, pushing messages to social media, doing the text function. It's really a very broad mass, many different modes, if you will, of providing those that we talk to all of them.
Right. Okay. Where would you like to see Valcom next year, or the year after, or in 5 years? What's the long-term goal for the field of mass notification, no matter what method or technology you use?
Yes. Well, I mean, we see it as growing and continuing to grow. That was a field that, prior to some very high-profile shootings at college campuses, really was not something that was on the tip of everyone's tongue. And over the last few years, it's really become a very, very hot market, and it's something that we continue to grow, we continue to learn, we continue to listen to our customers as to what they see as issues, and then ultimately develop products to meet those needs.
Rick, let's ask the big question here. If they wanted to find out more about Valcom, or about you, or about the solutions that you offer, where would be the easiest place to go on the web to find it?
Quickest place to go is valcom.com. And also you can certainly come and visit us at our booth at 701 here at Enterprise Connect.
Now you heard it here. If you are coming to Enterprise Connect, make sure to check them out. Rick Hamilton, thank you very much for talking to us.
Thank you. Been a pleasure.
I'm Father Robert Ballas here, and we'll bring you more from Enterprise Connect 2015.